I've been making a lot of, I don't want to say effort, but I've been allowing more ease with self-love, and I've been making great progress. And I've fallen in love with my friend, but I know he loves me, but he doesn't want to be gay because of his family and his background culture. And I know that all relationships are a reflection, so I don't know like what this is saying about me.
Well, as in the conversation that we had a little bit ago about what's in your vortex and how sometimes it feels like you're on a wild goose chase. Sometimes you have to go there before you can go there, before you can go there, before you can go there. And so don't try so hard to make something be the thing. Just let it be the path or the steps that it is, and trust that the universe will lead you and your friend to things are always working out for you, and things are always working out for your friend as well. So if you can give up the trying to hammer things into place and just focus upon feeling good and allowing things to unfold. We don't really want to get into some discussion about what you might have active in your vibration that would cause you to attract someone who's not ready for you. That's true in all kinds of relationships. In other words, that's a very common story. I'm ready for them, but they're not ready for me. But there's something in your vibration that causes you to attract someone who's not ready. And it's usually you're not really ready either. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Enough?
Yes, thank you. I love you.
Really good.
Thank you.
This is past a really good time for segment of refreshment. Good time for it.